Yeah, hi, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Bharat. Good morning, Harsha. Yes.
Good morning, Deepak.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Yes, any questions or any doubts as of now from the starting or whatever the task which you are doing related to
No,
anything? Yeah.
like we have a task of creating the campaign of some profile, right?
Yeah, I've asked you just to create a campaign. Yeah, meta campaign.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. We need to further information, and we need to create that.
Uh, Actually, the task, okay, you need the information regarding the task, right?
No, no, no. I'm saying yesterday in the afternoon, HR said the details like we need to create posters
Yeah, right.
and some videos.
Yeah, right.
Whether will you give like any refer
Yeah, yeah,
any
sure.
information or we need to do our own? I'm asking. That's it.
Understand. Just give me a second. I will just give some information today. Okay.
Okay.
So just follow those guidelines and work on it. And because I
Okay.
think we need to submit this on Monday morning, right?
Yes.
So that is the reason you guys need to work on these 2 3 days rigorously on this. Okay, so that you
Okay.
will get a better output. If you need to
Yeah.
get the better output, then obviously because and you are also new. You guys are new, so that is the reason you need to take care of some things. Let me share my screen. Okay, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the yeah, he is the person, right now we need to look into, and we can see with his name we can see all the details, this is a complete his profile. uh, just a second. Yeah, so we can see his social media profiles. You can go through the social media profiles. First of all, see, whenever you are trying to do anything, first of all, need to understand about that company, or whether you are doing for a company, whether you are doing for a person. You need to understand the company or the person completely. Okay, end to end you need to understand, like what exactly he do, where he is doing. Suppose let's take this example only. So basically uh, he is from Karnataka nationalist MP. Okay, and he is also member of standing committee on finance, Ministry of External Affairs. Okay, so you can see he's a very you can say big personality. Okay, it's not like something small we are doing. So, and you can see his complete social media posts, like what exactly that for some of them. Suppose if you need to understand this, you can take this and convert into the, you can use Claude or ChatGPT or even Google Translate to convert this into English or Telugu, so that you can understand more about it. And similarly for different posts. Okay, so suppose if you see this post, we can understand he's mostly, obviously, like from BJP only, and also he's more into these religious activities and everything. Okay, so he has participated in different temples, rituals and all. So like that. Okay, you need to go and analyze in detail basically what exactly he's doing. Okay, what all the activities he's doing on a daily basis. Okay, where he's doing, and who is above him or who is below him, and who is which constituency he's trying to focus. Okay, which people, who is his target. So basically, end to end, you need to get the information that you will get only by analyzing his profile in detail. Okay, you can see all the multiple profiles. So from LinkedIn, you can understand his education. So right now, I think he is a medical education minister in Karnataka government. You can see the just a second. So from different social media profiles, you will get a different understanding. Okay, from LinkedIn, you can understand his professional background, or his professional activities. From other platforms, you can understand his political. Okay, similarly from Facebook and Instagram, you can able to see mostly his personal. In the Instagram and all, you can see some of them, mostly people will post their personal profiles. Okay, so yeah, you can see right now he is a current minister only. Okay, you can see he's a MLA currently. So after understanding, okay, each and everything, okay, in fact, what you can do is, best thing is, you see manually also you need to check, and also you can use, let's say, I generally use the Claude is Claude, or you can use ChatGPT or anything which you are comfortable, but Claude also will work good. So where you can share with Claude all of these profiles, LinkedIn, Facebook, or his Instagram profile. Let's go to the Instagram profile. So you can give all this. Okay, you can say he's more into, if he's a fitness enthusiast. Okay, yeah, lot of things. So what you can do, you can just copy all these URLs and give and ask for the like what to post. So yeah, so I will do is, these are the social media pros, is detail. I want to do market search. Google URL also, like earlier, so everything we need to do manually, but now also don't believe what you're writing. But yeah, you can, it's your process. All other do all of things, it a lot of time. Still, you need to still do a check review, right? And market research. I want to. These are my process based on that. Okay, I want you to analyze. Hello, am I audible?
Hello?
Hello, hello. Yeah. Net. Hello, hello. Am I audible? Okay, just a second. Let me share. Okay, is my screen visible? Hello, is my screen visible? Can someone confirm? Hello, is my screen visible? Hello.
Hello. Yeah, Vijay.
Okay.
Okay. Hello.
Your voice is echoing, Vijay.
Now,
Yeah, it's okay.
now it's okay, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Fine. Let me. So yes, we are here. What we have done? We have taken that person social media. Okay, you can put all the other social media also. I just given their Instagram and X platform. So what I have mentioned with the Claude, these are the social media profiles which I want to analyze in detail. Want to do market research, and also I need to create a social media posters and reels based on that. I want you to analyze the person's profile in detailed and give me complete plan and strategy which I need to implement specially for my social media. Okay, and also prepare a detailed content calendar. Okay, content calendar means what all the content which we want to prepare for the next 1 month. Okay, so I want you to think hard and analyze in detail, and then give me the complete plan and execution steps. Okay, so you can use any of the platform like ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude. So right now I'm using the Claude. So once you do this, what it will do, what Claude will do now, it will try to go to those social media profiles and those platforms and do complete research. Okay, so but I think it is taking the wrong. Yeah, he's also a doctor, right? Before this, I think he's a doctor. That is reason it is also analyzing doctor, not in the politics. Yeah. So you take the analysis in a where it's it is for me who is strategy. So and uh, his own strategy. So he's our current right now. So we can do a mind. What's the account? So we can write political or public figure visibility. Okay, political or public figure visibility. We can these are the other things. Okay, suppose if he has a business, then we can select business. If he is a personal brand or thought, let's say right now this is comes under the personal brand as well, but our goal is to target the political, means we want to make him increase the visibility from a political point of view. That is the reason we are selecting this. Okay, so I select this. So it has taken my answers now, and it is trying to give me the complete analysis. So while this is happening, and you can do this on multiple platforms. Okay, it's not like that you need to do only in one platform. You can use Claude, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Google AI as well. And see, each platform will take a different approach everywhere, but some you will get something new from other platforms. Okay, suppose if data, other platforms, so they analyze, they have some additional points, so that you get a more data to work on. So see, right now it is saying any useful round to become a large well-run account. Okay, he has a good lot of followers in all the platforms with a heavy posting, and so before I turn this into client ready plan, I need a few basic about your client so that the calendar is not generic. Okay, so it is asking what is his name, his position, and constituency or region. Okay, what is his constituency? So we need to understand what is the constituency. Okay, you can search K Sudhakar consti. So it is near Chitbalapur. Okay, this is the constituency where he is right now doing as a MLA. So you can give that. Okay, you can give that. Here you can see the you can give, let us give daughter K Sudhakar MLA Chitbalapur, political party BJP, current social handles. Okay, his Instagram, and so I can note, we can write, we already given you social platforms, and 2 to 3 key priorities or causes they are known for or campaigning on. Health, are they, is he famous on health, is he famous on infrastructure or youth or farmers? I think when we see his LinkedIn profile, we have seen he is a health minister, so we can write health minister of Karnataka. Okay, we can confirm also once. So he was ex-minister of medical education and health. So I think he's a ex-minister. It is showing here, but 24 in Indian election, Karnataka. Yeah, I think he is a ex-minister only, and he is from BJP. That is clear. We can see the more details here. So see, all the data which you need to give, it should be very accurate. Okay, because what happens, it's like a garbage in, garbage out. Okay, if you give the wrong details, then you will get a wrong output. So make sure you give the right details. Here you can see the more details. Yeah, so obviously he's from BJP, that we understand, and right now in the Karnataka we have the Congress government. So we can assume that we are not there here. Like previously we are there. Means previously he is a MLA, but sorry, previously he is a minister. Okay, but right now, although maybe he is a MLA, but he is not a minister right now. Okay, so that we can understand. So he's a ex-medical minister. So we can give it. So ex-health minister of Karnataka. And any known events in the next 30 days. Okay, if the in the next, so we means I think you can ask the sir, like what is is there any event we want to promote, or is there any, any particular related which we are doing, why we are doing now urgently. So we need to understand what exactly the cause. Okay, so that we can prepare a plan in better way. Okay, so suppose right now we have the uh, maybe we can say local visits. One thing how I'll apply, I can build you the full content strategy, pillars, posting cadence, reel formats, and day by day. So it will give the complete details now. Okay, in a proper Word document or Excel calendar. So we let's give these details. So see, content calendar is where it will give all the details. Okay, where it will means which day which content we need to put. Okay, suppose tomorrow what to put, or day after tomorrow what to put. So every date and what to post in that day. So it's like a you can prepare we can prepare 1 week calendar, 1 month calendar, 1 year calendar, but for that you need to give more details. Okay, so how you want to plan. Okay, it is analyzing what are the events are there right now. So it is taking Guru Purnima. Okay, for the next 1 month it is trying to see what all the events are there, and based on the events and based on his profile, it tries to give us a content strategy. Okay, earlier I thought we used to do all of these things manually, but now you have all these tools, so try to use it, but make sure you confirm the information. Okay, we can't directly take it from and use it. Okay, so many times there can be mistakes. So whenever you are trying to prepare or share before sharing it with the client, and also you need to be the information should be 100% clear or verified. Okay, so that there is any mistake, there are any no mistakes will be there. mm, let's see. In the meantime you can understand about his profile in detail. Okay, he has also has a American fellowship residential school, and he's also a minister of in charge. You can understand his profile completely using Wikipedia, so that so the information whatever you are trying to get, make sure it is 100% correct. Okay, so for that you need to visit these verified sources. Suppose Wikipedia is a verified source. Always remember. Okay, if you just try to take somewhere, some social media post or something like that, then that is not a verified information. So the verified information is always from the trusted sources. Okay, suppose you can see from his own profile, obviously that is his own profile, so mostly it is a verified information only. And some, even this Maineta also famous. This shows all the you know candidates information. Okay, suppose you can see completely about that particular person profile, what is his assets and all. But you can also see there are sometimes it will give the negative, even there is some negative information also will be there. So this we call as a reputation management. Reputation management means means the person we means our goal is to make sure that our client has a positive reputation, because let's say opposition parties, or there are a lot of things out there where they try to post negative information, okay, whether it is negative reviews or negative posts and all. So our goal is to make sure that we cover that with the, because we can't remove the negative information. Maybe we can ask, let's say if some website is published a negative website information, then we can ask that we can contact this website and ask them, this information is correct, can you change it or something like that. Okay, suppose if they are if this website is like a genuine, and they work for the, if it is a something genuine, then what they will do, they will take the information from you, relevant information, and then they will update. But sometimes what happens, they are the means that they, if they are doing intentionally, then obviously you can't remove that, you can't change that. So in that case, what you need to do, you need to make sure you have the positive information published. Okay, whether you can approach PR means press release and all, where you can publish the information positively. You can update the Wikipedia pages, or it means you need to post everywhere positive. So the, to cover that negativity, we need to push a lot of positive information, so that the negative information can be, it can't remove, we can't remove, but it will be reduced, okay, when the positive information only visible. So let us see if it is prepared. Yeah, so it is given me the final document, sorry, not this. uh, so it's still, yeah, it's prepared. So now you can say this is a prepared a 30-day content calendar. So let's try to open it. Yeah, so see, this is a calendar it has prepared. Date, day, platform, okay, which platform means, see, and also remember, each platform has their own strategy. Okay, what many people will do is they will try to create something, and they will post everywhere the same information. So but generally it won't work like that. Okay, every platform has their own strategy. For Instagram, I have shown you, right? Instagram, where you can see he is uploading his fitness videos, but he can't share the same fitness videos, even LinkedIn or even the Facebook. So that doesn't make sense. So when you are preparing the strategy, you should make sure that whatever the information which you are preparing, whatever the content you are preparing, it should be as per the platform. Okay, and you can see the pillar. See, pillar means what is the main topic. Okay, what means, so see, it is talking about health related is a one pillar, doctor and health related is a one pillar, and his personal is a one pillar, achievements or announcements is a one pillar. So, and his constituency and local visits, this is one, means each, it's like a topic, what is a broader topic, okay, which we are trying to convey. Okay, so date, day, platform. Okay, sometimes the same post can be published in multiple platform if it is a means generic or common one. So we can, so see here, he has it has given three platforms, and the pillar it has given the this one. Okay, daughter and health identity. And then the format, so you can see the carousel plus reel format. Okay, so carousel means I have shown you, right, when I'm explaining the ad, or carousel ad. So carousel means multiple photos will come, and reel means okay, where you can create in Canva also, where you can add multiple images, or if suppose if he has a video, you can take that video and you can edit, and you can add the caption, you can add the music, and you can create a reel. So this is a format. Okay, and World Population Day, as a daughter and your representative, health for every family remains my priority. So you can see uh, what is the, and this is a caption. Caption means that will come in the under the post. Okay, whereas a visual or poster brief, so it has given also the how the poster should look like. Okay, what all the things needs to be there in the poster. So you can see here health camp photo. Okay, so we can put a health camp photo or a new camp visit. Clean infographic. Infographic means information plus graphic. Okay, means it has some information or data also, and it has the image also, so that we call as a infographic, with 1 to 2 key health stats for Chitbalapur. So suppose because he is from Chitbalapur constituency, what you can write is you can take any health facts in Chitbalapur. Suppose let's say on an average uh, for every out of every 4 people, one person is getting malnutrition in Chitbalapur. So something like that. Okay, if you just search in the ChatGPT or Google, you will get that stats, health stats. Okay, so you can take that information from the, okay, because those are like a specific to his constituency. Okay, and you can see the hashtags. See, when I remember, whenever you are trying to promote a political or that person, always make sure that his own hashtag is there. Okay, see here you can see common hashtags. If you see, one is his own hashtag is there, Chitbalapur hashtag means this is his constituency hashtag is there, and it is also there in the local language also, so that when people, because see, ultimately English is not the, not every people, most of them voters are uneducated, or they are more of a local. So whatever the post which you are creating, it should make sure, if you can do it in local language, that will make sense. So obviously you can use Claude or ChatGPT or Google Translate to to content. Suppose if the same content, if you want to make it into convert into the local, so you can do with the help of the these tools. And tag state or health department or relevant health mission handle. Suppose if you are taking the stat from a different some health department website and all, you can mention that. So this is the we have seen one day. So similarly, if you see like that, it has given me the total 30 days calendar. For the next 30 days, it has given the different unique ideas. Okay, suppose if you see the personal one, uh, so it is talking about a warm first person reflection, a small human moment from the week. So means it is asked him to upload his photo, okay, with a smile, or means with some means he is taking care of someone, like that. Candid unposed photo, so it should not look artificial. Okay, nothing should look artificial, everything should be natural. So similarly, his achievements, if there is any project completed, or he has done some activities, some groundbreaking activities in the previous his term, so we can note down that, okay, he has, let's say he started some project, or before after, or ribbon cutting photo, or headline, any news channel, his interview is there. All of these things we can put. So like that, see, for all of the, to get all this information, obviously one is if you have a direct access with their team, you can talk to their team and get the information, the photos or the videos and all. And another thing is you can use his social media. Okay, if you go to his Instagram or Facebook and all, you can see the lot of videos, lot of photos, and lot of news also about him. So you can in fact whatever the good positive things are there related to him, you can take those information or those photos. Okay, and never use some random photos mostly. Okay, if you just Google it and try to take some irrelevant photos, that will see always reputation is a main thing here. Okay, remember, when you are working for a business or whether you are working for a some person, why he is paying us is to increase his reputation. Suppose if you are doing something wrong or something bad, which affects his reputation, then we will lose him. Okay, he never again give any project for us. So make sure whatever that preparing, okay, whether it is a poster or reel or the content, anything, it should be 100% verified and it should be 100% final. Okay, before you sharing. Suppose last time when you tried to practice, you shown to me, right? I have given the feedback. So whenever it we are sharing with the client, okay, it should be always the final one. Okay, so if you try to create something random or something, obviously you are learning, you are new, but if you create something which is not professional, and if you share it that with the client, then obviously your reputation will run. Okay, later once the client did not like it, then later onwards they never see. If it is a better, there is a small change, there is a slight change and all, that is fine. But if the complete, even if you me so I have handled multiple teams or multiple international teams also. If something which I did not like, I completely, okay, if it is small mistakes, anyone can help. But if it is like completely you have done blunder, okay, from the basic level, whether it is the colors or fonts, everything, then I don't want to again continue with that also. Okay, like that it will be there, because all of these people are, they are highly reputed people. So if you done something wrong, or if you do something which is irrelevant or which they did not like, then they don't even want to continue further. Understand? Is this concept clear to everyone?
Yes, Vijay, like have created one political related poster, right?
Okay.
Is it like okay, there is some minor changes, or else it is
Where it is
we need to-
means okay, yesterday means day before yesterday you shown me
yeah,
that one.
yes, yes.
See, it is also means not minor changes, I can say. There are major changes only. See, whenever the basics are missed, then I can say they are major changes only. Whether the alignments, whether the fonts, whether the colors, or you can say sizes. Means these are all the basics. Okay, if suppose something the basics only the problem, creativity or the and all that comes under a second layer. Okay, that is a we can say slightly advanced and all. But whatever the things which I told right now, they are the basics thing. Okay, if the basics are not proper, then I can say they are larger only. Okay, you need to work a lot on those. Okay, and remember one more thing is
Okay, thank you.
yeah, one more thing is you will also get see, sometimes what happens is uh, if you analyze his profiles. Okay, let me, okay, let us go to the his Instagram. So even if you try to analyze his previous post, suppose he has right now almost 7,500 posts in his Instagram. So if you analyze each of his previous posts, okay, because he has posted something on his social media platform, means most probably when he is approved only it will be posted. Okay, nobody will post some random post here. So suppose let's say if he posted this, then he lighted that, that is the reason it got approved and it got posted in social media profile. So you can take the reference also from their you can that is the reason, say for a digital marketer that insights are very important. So you need to have that mindset where that analyzation. Suppose he how he has given his colors, how he has just a second. Hello. Yeah, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah. So do you understand? Suppose, see, if this is a reference, okay, you can take the reference. See how they have kept their typography. How the fonts are used. With alignment, or there is a slight inclination. So you can understand their taste from their existing profiles. Okay, if you can do much better than the existing, that is good. But if you do something, which is lower than this, okay, suppose if you see this one, if you do something bad than this, then you will only understand many times. No need, means third person, no need to tell. Okay, suppose if you create something, and if you is it closer to the existing one, then yeah, it's fine, it is good. At least you can say that. Okay, if suppose when you compare the both posts, and if your post is something which is lesser than that, then don't even dare to share with them, because they most probably they will not like that. Understand? So each and every platform, okay, suppose no, sorry, not yeah, platform as well as the each and every post. So that is the reason, don't try to go and create something random. Just first take time and analyze his profile or his posts, how they have, what kind of colors they have used and how they have used everything. Just go in detail. Okay, suppose you can also ask, suppose let's say if the same post you liked it, what you can do, maybe you can download this, if it is possible. If saving is not possible, you can obviously you can take the screenshot also. For this, let's say we can take this screenshot of this photo or post. Then what we can do, we can go to the Claude or ChatGPT, you can put it. So I want to create a social media poster exactly like this, or much better than this. Give me give me complete step by step process and guidelines need to follow. It should be very detailed and easy to understand for a beginner. Okay, so let's see what it will give. So now it will analyze that post, and it will go through each and every pixel means each element. It will go and try to come up with some kind of a how we can walk through. Okay, so in the meantime, let us see the quickly the what is the other things which are there in this, while it is doing that. Just a second. Yeah, so we have seen this, right? Like this, you can create a content calendar. You can also share them the content calendar if they liked it. So you need to verify first of all. Okay, don't try to generate, don't do this. Okay, you generate something, and because all this ChatGPT and everything, they also have the access. Okay, if you just generate and share it with them, then it will not look good, and there will be many mistakes also. So you need to manually verify each and everything. If everything is fine, then only share. If something is if you think even 1% doubt also, just remove that. Okay, don't try to send something which is irrelevant or mistaken. And you can see it has given the for conscience related, it has given 30% of posts. Okay, dot health related, it has given 15%. So out of the total 30 posts it has generated, it has given the percentage breakup and who whom it is targeting. So suppose for constancy it is targeting village or ward visits, grievance, any issues addressing, or inaugurations, or all of these things are addressing. For the health related, health camps or awareness days or hospital visits, all of this is covering. For party and leadership related, it is targeted in programs or leadership events and all. So you can see that breakup here. Okay. So it has also taken some fixed days, and this is the one thing. And another thing which you need to let us see, it has given the two documents. So right now whatever you have seen, that is a content calendar. Okay, let us see quickly the social media strategy also. So you can see now how to create a dramatic countdown event poster. Okay, so now it has given beginner step by step guide. Okay, so first it is asking us to anatomy of the poster. So it has breaking up the complete poster. Now it has given the detail. So first it is asking to create a hero visual, a statue or monument or person, or first that element it is asking us to take. Okay, so what is we need to take this element? Because it stops the scroll, must be big, high contrast, emotionally strong. Okay, so because that is the main thing in that poster, okay, which I have shown you. So after that, bid number or countdown, so that is showing 1 day to go, right? So it creates urgency, biggest text on the page after the headline. So headline is the biggest one. After that, this bid countdown number is it is asking us to take. After that, headline plus sub heading. So it has given the headline and subheading. This is a emotional hook, a short punchy line, not a paragraph. So you can see the detailed steps. Okay, after that it has given tools you will need. Canva you can use. Okay, high resolution hero image, that statue and all. It is asking us to take some own free stock photos, free paint or unsplash. And then there is a font. Canva also has a font, so it is asking us to take. So now it is saying step by step build process. So it is asking, even it is given the size, portrait size, it is asking us to take. And set the background to solid black or very dark brown. Okay, and after that, place and treat the hero image. Okay, upload your hero statue photo, drag it to. So you can see every step. Okay, even if you follow this step by step process, you will get a good, best output, I can say. Okay, rather than trying to design randomly. So if you just follow this step by step process and just use your thinking also, so that you will get a much better output. Okay, similarly, you can do this for a reel. You can upload a reel, and you can ask the complete breakup for a beginner. So it will give a detailed step by step. Okay, and also let us see quickly this. This is also where is a social media strategy. So we have given all the profiles, right? So strategy is different, calendar is different. Calendar is directly the content and what to post, what day and all. But whereas a strategy is different. Okay, so what is given? It has just a second. Yeah. So it has analyzed the current presence. Okay, uh, what is who we are targeting, audience and positioning, how to position. See, positioning means what is the difference, because there are hundreds of leaders in the, let's say, in Karnataka. then how do we want to position our leader, okay, or our or this politician? So we can understand, means it has completely analyzed everything. All you need to do is just go through, because it has gone through all those hundreds of posts, okay, in the social media posts, right? If you need to do manually analysis, if you need to analyze, then it will take a lot of time, okay. But still we need to analyze at least some of the some of the posts. But here it has given the complete audience and positioning, okay. It is starting about the party workers, cadre, and media opinion or local journalist opinion, okay. And positioning lead to daughter, so that the strongest most differentiated asset is a daughter turned public representative identity. So this is a rare, okay. Somebody who is daughter and then politician, that is a rare. So it is asking us to focus on that position, because then there is a, when somebody is a daughter, there is a higher tradability, okay. Becoming a daughter is a higher tradability. And then you can see, it has given the post breakup and all, which we have seen, and platform wise strategy, okay. For Instagram, what should be the strategy? For Twitter, what is the strategy? For Facebook, what is the strategy, okay. For each platform, it has breaken the strategy. And what is the uh, format, okay. For Instagram, every day it is asking us to post one, and you can see it is also given the timings also, okay. Which time to which time is a better for to post, okay. Better means that time more people are active, okay. More you may get more engagement. So reels and posters, it is given how to create and all, okay. Hashtags, which hashtags to use. So it has given personal hashtags, then the party hashtags, okay. Then in Karnataka BJP, some common ones and all. So is this clear? Any questions, any doubts as of now?
It's clear, but we need to make all this right.
See, all this we need to make means, first of all, you need to start with one thing and try to be, see, it will take a lot of, it's not easy, especially for someone who is starting and, doing all of these things. It's very, because see, for every person or every party, there are lots of, there are teams are there, okay. Some multiple social media teams or, PR teams and all will be there to handle all of these things. But as a beginner, as you need to start and do so, start with I want you to analyze, understand that posters or reels only, that those are the main assets. So try to analyze and try to create, and take time, okay. You can't create some 5-10 posters at once, which is impossible. And obviously if you create like that, then you will not get the proper output also. So try to take time, and take some reference, take time, and try to implement step by step. And first you get a, let's say, some 2 3 let's say posters or reels. Once you are good at it, then increase the speed. See, if starting only, if you want to do quickly everything, it won't be possible. First try to get that perfection, then increase the speed. Are you clear?
Yes, we did.
Yeah. So then, once you see, once you understand the complete design process or understand the mindset of the design, then what happens, your speed will increase. But starting only, if you want to do, let's say, I need to create some 10 posters or 5 reels like that, then you won't get a required output. So output is more important compared to quantity, okay. Always see, always remember, quality is important rather than quantity, anything which you are doing. Clear? Any other questions, any other doubts?
No,
Vijay,
Yeah.
yesterday have you shared any video I asked you?
Oh, right after this call I'll be sharing, okay.
Please share it, and please share today's class also.
Recording, yeah. Yesterday's recording also, I think I have not uploaded. So yesterday's recording, today's recording, and that video which I told, I will share, okay.
Okay, okay, Vijay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, done. Anything else, any other questions? Are we clear? So see, try to spend more time, Bharat, or everyone who is there. If you spend more time on these things, you will that habit will form. Okay.